Hey everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So in today's tutorial we'll be making this beautiful Christmas tree card. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications. So let's get started. And a special thanks to Anaisha. Anaisha is my daughter. She's 3.5 and she was there whole time with me and she helped me in making this card. She was there and you can see her hands, her head. You can see her in the video. And so coming to the card, we are making the base. We have taken watercolor and we're mixing black and blue for the sky. Now mix the color nice and proper, and there Anaisha comes and she was like, I want to do it, Mama. So I was like, okay, you can do something. And there we are waiting for the card to dry, and she was blowing it and she was drying it. So once it was done, we have taken this glitter color. This looks very beautiful on any surface you do. Like I'm using it specifically for this Christmas card because I wanted the base a little glittery. You can use any other glitter colors if you wish. Then we'll be taking this green color craft paper, we can say. Just cut it and then again measure it. Make a line so that you don't cut off the whole paper, and then start cutting your craft paper. Once that is done, now you can start sticking your tree one by one. Now take any glitter sheet and start making the star. We'll be cutting the star and we'll stick it on the top of our tree. And some other glitter sheets and punch it with a single puncher. We'll be sticking all of them on our tree like this. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.